You don't have to say anything, just bag it up. So we're making this video so that Sarah can show those of you who have asked how she gets stuff into these big oblong IKEA bags in. So she's just going to do it and show you.
The open zipper part goes at the top.
Open zipper at the top. So obviously, it would be a little less work if you put a few less things in a bag, but she does tons of them. And how many do you have there?
25 Nicole's.
So 25 Nicole dresses.
I can fit, so I could fit a few more in here. Shirts, I can definitely fit more like 30 hangers. But dresses, it gets a little heavy because there's so much fabric. So.
Awesome. Thanks, Sarah. And there you go. And then you just grab it like that. We put ours in our Prius. And this is how we load and unload. So there you go.